Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative products. Today, we're exploring the best aquarium heater for a 30-gallon tank available in the market, the YukiHalu Small Submersible Aquarium Heater. Let's get started. If you're a fish enthusiast like me, maintaining the right water temperature is crucial for the health and well-being of your aquatic friends. And that's where the YukiHalu Aquarium Heater shines. This heater packs a punch with its compact design and powerful features. Here's why it stands out from the competition. First off, let's talk about precision. With its advanced intelligent frequency conversion technology, this heater ensures automatic constant temperature with an impressive accuracy of 1 degree Fahrenheit. Setting the temperature is a breeze thanks to the external temperature controller. No more wet hands or guesswork. Plus, the LED display provides real-time temperature monitoring, giving you peace of mind. But what about safety? YukiHalu has you covered with overheating protection and out-of-water protection. Say goodbye to accidental fish cookouts. And let's not forget about its versatility. Whether you have a small betta tank or a larger freshwater setup, this heater comes in various wattages to suit your needs. In summary, the YukiHalu Small Submersible Aquarium Heater is a game-changer for any aquarium enthusiast. With its precision, safety features, and ease of use, it's truly the best companion for your 30-gallon tank. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy fish keeping!